sunrise. Day 44. Whoop, 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 whoop. One thing of note, let's have a little look there. And look at that, we got a wee little backpack. Look at that. Oh, it's so much lighter. We feel like we're floating along now. This is the way it should be. Alrighty, so yesterday we had a bit of an eventful start to the day. My tent collapsing in the middle of the night, ripping, pole falling down, all kinds of drama in the middle of the night. Then we got up for summer solstice, 5 o'clock in the morning. Beautiful sunrise, really nice, the sort of clouds and all the sort of on top of Golden Cap. What an awesome place that was. And then we had a little bit of a amble down towards Seatown, not a huge amount there. And we finished the walk for the day in Beaconsfield. Burton Bradstock. So, which is where we met the lovely Helen. Our support crew's back. So we then basically she took us out to the campsite. We're staying in a place called Punnol. Sorry, don't pronounce the K. Apparently, Punnol. Got a lovely little campsite, and then we walked the rest of the way from there into Abbotsbury yesterday. Baking hot day. It was nearly 30, I think, yesterday. So glad we didn't have the huge bags for that. Had a few beers in Abbotsbury, then a few beers back in Punnol. And everything is airy, man. So today we're back on the road, Abbotsbury towards Ferry Bridge, which is just past Weymouth, before Weymouth. Yeah, near to Portland, sorry. So it's only like 4 hours today. We're going to skippity-doo-dah along the path, see some more fine sights, and see you later. Bye! Maybe I'm tired, maybe we've been spoiled, but that was a very boring walk today. Do you agree, Johnny? Yeah. Yes.
Yes. Started off alright.
Started off.
A bit sour.
Just droned on.
Yeah. Same old, same.
That's it.
Gummy beach.
What are they doing in the water? 600 miles, we deserve that.